Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your WordPress SEO settings with Yoast, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your WordPress SEO settings using Yoast, first ensure you are logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. Locate the Yoast SEO plugin in the left sidebar. Click on SEO to open the Yoast settings menu. Navigate to the Tools section within the Yoast SEO menu. Once in the Tools section, find the option labeled Import and Export. Click on Export. This will allow you to download your SEO settings. After clicking Export, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a secure location on your computer to save this file. Ensure that you name the file for easy identification later. Next, confirm that the download is complete and the file is saved correctly. For additional security, consider making a copy of the file on an external drive or cloud storage. If you ever need to restore your SEO settings, simply navigate back to the Yoast SEO Tools section. Click on Import and Export again. This time, select the Import option. Upload the .json file you previously saved. Confirm the import to restore your settings. Finally, review your SEO settings to ensure everything has been restored correctly. Your WordPress SEO settings are now backed up and ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.